to perform a sugar wax on your arm. Do you want to hold it? Hold it top.
Rub it good, please.
Hold on. You're wrapping yourself around. What's going to happen?
It's gonna freaking hurt. That's what's gonna happen.
And it's going to hurt, and then what?
And then pull
Rip my skin. No! What?
Oh, the end.
That wasn't right.
Section.
Very small.
Okay, here, here, I'll go here. Right? Then,
Do it fast like her.
then, hold on. Then you're going to come here. Okay.
Ow.
Then you're going to turn and do that one.
I have a lot of
You
hairs.
have to go 3 different sections. Because remember I told you, if you wrap around, let's say right here, and I start pulling, that what's going to happen? You're going to end up having a chance to get stuck right here, and what happens is it starts coming up. Okay? So, just wax what you can see, but then you may have to go into sections, especially around.
Smoother. Do it fast. Oh, damn. Rub it really good and pull it back. Cause it. It wasn't that bad.
How is it?
It's good. Look at all those hairs.
Oh, I know.
Holy bajoli, that one hurt.
Oh, wait.
She got a tan. Oh my gosh. Pull my skin. Okay. Do you want me to keep going with this? Ow! Okay.
Sure, you left her.